From Earth's shadow to the lunar surface, a race against time, a leap for mankind. In the crucible of the Cold War, humanity looked not to battlefields, but to the stars. Today, we launch into one of history's most exhilarating competitions, the space race, a monumental struggle for supremacy between the United States and the Soviet Union. The mid-20th century was defined by the Cold War, an ideological and geopolitical standoff that pitted two superpowers against each other. Beyond military might and political influence, space exploration emerged as a new, high-stakes frontier. It wasn't just about science. It was about proving which system, communism or capitalism, was superior, technologically and ideologically. The roots of this ambition stretched back to the end of World War II, when both nations seized German V-2 rocket technology and the brilliant minds behind them. These early rockets, originally instruments of war, became the foundational stepping stones for humanity's journey to the cosmos. The race truly ignited on October 4, 1957, when the Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite to orbit Earth. The world was stunned, and America was galvanized. Just 4 years later, on April 12, 1961, the Soviets again shocked the world as Yuri Gagarin became the first human in space, completing a full orbit of our planet. These Soviet triumphs spurred the United States to action. On May 25, 1961, President John F. Kennedy issued a bold challenge to land a man on the moon and return him safely to Earth before the decade was out. This seemingly impossible goal launched a cascade of innovation milestones. Project Mercury saw America's first astronauts, like Alan Shepard and John Glenn, venture into space. Then came Project Gemini, perfecting crucial techniques like spacewalks and orbital rendezvous, essential for a lunar mission. Finally, the Apollo program, a monumental undertaking, pushed the boundaries of engineering and human endurance. On July 20, 1969, with Apollo 11, Neil Armstrong took one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind, fulfilling Kennedy's audacious promise. The technological innovations required for these missions were staggering, from advanced propulsion systems and guidance computers to life support and communication networks. The space race was more than a contest. It was a catalyst for unprecedented scientific and technological advancement. Beyond the immediate goal of reaching the moon, it spurred the development of countless technologies that now underpin our modern world. Microchips, satellite communication, GPS, advanced materials, and even everyday items like Teflon and freeze-dried food. It fostered a generation of scientists and engineers, boosting national pride and shaping public perception of what was possible through human ingenuity. It transformed our understanding of Earth's place in the cosmos and ignited a collective sense of wonder and possibility. The space race stands as an enduring testament to human ambition, a period when two rival nations, driven by competition, achieved what once seemed utterly impossible. It proved that with enough will, resources, and ingenuity, humanity can reach for the stars and beyond. But as we look back at this incredible chapter, it begs the question, what new, impossible frontiers are we reaching for today? If this journey to the stars captivated you, please give this video a like, share it with fellow explorers, and subscribe to History Explained for more deep dives into the past. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next episode, where we'll explore a moment when the world held its breath. The Cuban Missile Crisis, 13 Days to Armageddon.